Okay, so to make the fins that go on the side of the head, we're going to start with a slip knot, and then we are going to chain 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're going to single crochet back. So in the chain away from your hook, we're just going to single crochet, and then we're going to single crochet in each remaining chain. That'll be a total of 7 single crochets. Okay, after you've chained 1, I'm going to turn and I'm going to single crochet again, back up along those same single crochets I did. Again, it's going to be a total of 7 single crochets. Okay, when I get to the top here after my 7th, I'm going to do 3 single crochets in that little space between the single crochets before and the first chain we did. So that's a total of 3 in the same stitch. Now I'm going to go back down alongside the other side of the chain that we did at the very beginning. And again, that's going to be a total of 7 single crochets. So now I'm going to go along the whole thing. I'm going to single crochet in each stitch. So the 7 along the side, the 3 along the top, and 7 down toward the other side. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to fasten off and leave a long tail to sew it together. I take that long tail and I'm going to sew the 2 bottom pieces so that they fold over and get that nice rounded shape to the top. Now you just need to make 5 more for a total of 6.